Hello guys, I want to tell you grammar, and we are going to discuss about grammar. Let's get started. Today our topic is article, and I already prepared for you examples, and I want to tell you what cases to use this article a and n. A, we use only consonant, and n we use just or only vowel. And for example, I made up examples. Do you see? Yes. And A, this I want to read a book. And N, it's I'm going to take an exam. I want to tell you it's like easy way how I understand this sentence. For example, today I have tests at school, and I I'm going to tell my maybe brother or mom, "Hi, my brother. Today I'm going to take an exam. How do you think I pass an exam or fail an exam?" Uh, Here we can more make up sentence. Uh, it's A, yes, and uh, I I will play a game. Hi guys, I want to interrupt your time because we created Telegram channel and where you can practice with me and with my uh, partners, and good watching. Do you see? I write here a game. Maybe I could have written a video like this, and and we can say here I want to I want to eat an apple or eat an apple. We made up I will play a game and I want to eat an apple. I did hear A because it's consonants, letter or words, and this vowel or vowel word, and this we finished our uh, grammar. You can practice in uh, maybe in YouTube or in AI. I tell you next time article the and at and yes, only this.
Thank you for watching my channel, my video, and don't forget, please subscribe and like. Please, it's so important because you mustn't skip my video. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.